So hello, and you clicked on this video because you have this coin from 2024 or you're just curious about it. This is an Australian 50-cent coin. It's the first 50-cent coin issued into circulation with Charles III effigy. Now, being an Australian coin, it's quite large. It's 15.5 grams. 55 grams, should I say. It's 31.51 millimeters in diameter, going from the widest point, and it's 3 millimeters thick. And as you can see, it has no reading on the side. Papua New Guinea 50 tower coins have a reading on the side, which is different. They could put reading on this. Technology does advance, but there's no point. So this is the Dan Fawn effigy of King Charles. It's probably the only one he's going to use because he's quite advanced in age. And usually effigies that last about 20 years. So if he reigns for 20 years, I'll probably use it again. On the other side, we have the Stuart Devlin design for the coat of arms. And if you're not too sure what the coat of arms are, has a kangaroo, probably a red kangaroo, or it could be an eastern or western grey kangaroo, emu. In the background, we have Reeves, so this probably represents wattle, which is the national flower. In the centre we have the coat of arms, which is the 6 coat of arms of the states: New South Wales, Victoria, Queensland, South Australia, Western Australia and Tasmania. Tasmania is a lion, really, that should be a Tasmanian tiger or thylacine. And the denomination, just 50. As you can see, there is no cents on this coin. The current mintage from the January reports is 8 million of these were minted. So it makes this coin very common. So really, in this condition, it's worth 50 cents. Not really worth anything more than that for a circulated coin. If you're overseas, obviously it's going to be a little bit more because these are a bit harder to get overseas. So this one's actually quite a nicer coin. I would use it as a space filler. But really, if you wanted to get an uncirculated coin, just take it out of an uncirculated coin set. As far as I know, there are no errors. Now, one die can produce, I believe, 200,000 to 300,000 coins. So that means they probably used, say, just per million coins, they use 5 dies. So they use 8 times 5, so they use 40 dies. Anyway, and that's only for the obverse to the front of the coin, which is the portrait. The reverse of the coin, they can use these dies over many years, so they can use this for 2029 or any other date, as long as they are producing this denomination in this size and not reducing the size of the coin. Anyway, let me know what you think of this coin. If you get one in your change in these conditions, it's not really worth any more than face value.